You must have heard mathematics is creative. Maybe found little of the same in the rigorized mathematics education. Here you are, enjoy the infinite creative nuances in addition. Addition, the simplest of the operations, has layers to be discovered and enjoyed for its fiction-like twists and turns. In the first reel, we realized that 1 plus 3 may or may not be 4. In this reel, we will discover how there is always a way to add, to make 1 plus 3 as 4 something. The first reel did leave a clue. Unlike quantities such as sharpeners and erasers cannot be added to be expressed as one quantity of something. And like things are easily added. But whatever, it is odd. Yes, there is more to addition of quantities. There is a way of adding unlike things. We would consider 2 new examples to get a good feel of addition of unlike things. As the first example, we look for the sum of apples and oranges. Apples and oranges cannot be summed into 4 apples, 4 oranges, or 4 apples and oranges. Is this a dead end? Not really. Let us move on for now. We can easily add apples and oranges if we identify them with their common denominator, fruits. We can add different things by replacing their identity to something common. But 4 fruits may not all be apples and oranges, and it is an uncomfortable feeling to think of 4 fruits to eat and get to see 4 grapes or 4 papayas. Thus, while we could sum the orange and the apples as fruits, we did lose the meaning of that one quantity, 4 fruits. Addition is a very nuanced operation. As another example of adding unlike things, let us see what may be 1 man plus 3 women. 1 man plus 3 women can be read as 4 people. The common identity, people, does not go by the gender. 4 people as the total of adult men and women is okay if the totaling was done for the sake of planning seating arrangements at a function. Each man or woman needs the same kind of 1 seat. However, we must identify man and woman separately for lodging. Dissolving the gender identity of man and woman for the beds or rooms required to sleep may be imprudent in some situations. For example, a minimum of 3 rooms will be required to sleep unrelated 1 man and 3 women. We can add unlike things by identifying them as like things, but it may not always be meaningfully useful sum. Thank you. With us, you will master all the mathematics you need. Be good to you, not just others.